All right, guys. I'm here again to direct you on how you can trade your boom and crash successful. That is what this video will be telling us, or will be showing us on how we can trade our boom and crash successful. Before I go further on that, you know how we run it here. You know how we do it here, guys. I will say to you, I will appeal to you rather to please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and turn your notifications on so you can be accessible or notified whenever I drop any work, So turn your notification on and like my video and probably leave some good comment as you're seeing this video. If the video interests you, you can leave some good comment, or any area you don't understand, you can as well comment too. Alright, that's how we do it here. And we are doing all this for ourselves. I'm trading digs now. You can see I'm trading 1,000. This is 15 minutes time frame, and this is the zoom level. The zoom level is always the third zoom level. All right, so you can see what is happening along the charts very well. All right, so this is a trade that I've been trading for some time now, for some hours now. But I slept off and I wake up with all confidence, having known that where I enter this trade from, if I wake up, it's still going to be running in profit because I know the direction I know where this trend is heading to. You can see very well, you guys can see very well. I have my TP set up here. So I am confident, although spike will come, spike will come, but I know this trend is coming down all the way down here. All the way down here. That's the target, alright, that's the target. So that's the target. Based on my analysis, the way I analyzed, I've seen the trend. This thing is about price actions. I can tell you for free that this trend, once it buys all the way from here to this area you're seeing my horizontal line, is going to start dropping back. With what has been happening there previously, is going to definitely drop back from there. So what I am going to be doing is to take advantage of that. Once it's either I exercise patience, if I want to catch the spike, it gets to this level, and I'll start planning myself for the spikes. Or I also exercise patience, it gets to these levels, and I'll start planning myself on how to scalp. So this one here, I am talking about how I can scalp here. Whenever the market is ranging, how you can scalp or catch the spike. I know my previous video I dropped, I talk about how we can take advantage of a range market, all right, a range market. I dropped that video with the idea of catching spike with a range market. So this one, the idea is how to scalp with a range market. Whenever the market is range, how you can take advantage of it, all right, with your indicators too. All right, so all of that is what this video is showing you. So please, I also want to say to you, always try and see my video to the end whenever you're seeing my videos, because it's going to help you a lot. There's some information you'll be missing if you don't see it to the end, if you don't watch to the end. And I also want to inform you again that I have some other programs that I run here. These are the mentorship program, the account management program, the VIP program, and also the free channel program too. So any of these programs that you want to join, all right, you can join in. You can join in. Yeah, it just spiked now, but I'm still running a profit, all right? You can see where I entered this market from here, so I still have the profit. So I think this market is trying to see it's trying to form a range within this area. It has moved up from here. But anyways, I am expecting this trade to come down all the way here and hit my TP. So I'm going to hold on. I'm going to hold on this trade, all right? I'm not afraid. I'm not scared because I know it will definitely come down to where I am expecting it to go. This is how you trade, of course. You trade with confidence, You trade with confidence. And how do you trade with confidence? It is only when you have analyzed your trade very well, your market very well. Apply the price actions you're seeing along your chart. Identify with the areas that are necessary that you should be identified with. All of those areas will help you a lot, all right? All of those areas will help you a lot. So that is why you make a success while you're trading. Okay, always try and see how you can trade from the other support or resistance. Price action is key in this. If you want to be if you want to succeed in trading. All right. So having said all of that, if you want me to manage your account where I will be trading your account 3 times a week, whatever I trade at, we are going to split it. All right, 50-50. So I trade your account 3 times in a week. That's how I manage people account here. All right, so that one is also available here. If you also want mentorship, if you want to be mentored, that is also available here. If you want to join the VIP group, it's also available here. So whichever one that interests you, you can join. But I can tell you for free that I do my work because I love my work. I do it good. I take my time and I make sure that people that have paid me penny, they don't regret you. They make benefit of what they have paid me for. That's what I do here. This trade, I've given it out to my VIP subscribers. I'm sure they are also making the money. For those of them who have hold this long too, some of them have also closed out. You know, it's a business of, you don't need to be so much greedy over this. Okay, it's a business of having your target, set your goals of the day. Once you hit your goal, you can leave the market. You can just leave the market and think for some other things to do. All right. So all of that will help you. So yeah, I'm going to be showing us the indicators we'll be using here to make this one a success while we are trading boom and crash. All right. You can apply this in this strategy for any of the boom and crash pairs, all right, but more especially for the boom 1000 and crash 1000, all right. So you can have your target on these two pair. You know, target them. Know when this market is on. Know when the market is going down and when it's going up, and try and take advantage of the range. When the market is ready, you all try and take advantage of it too. All right. So all of that is going to help you to make money and trade successful. All right. So now let me go back to the indicator. I always say to you, whenever you want to apply indicators, for those people that are still new here, you come to you can tap on the F icon and then you can see the indicator list popped out. All right. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'll delete all this indicator that is placed here already. I'll delete all of them. All right. So I have them delete now. They're all deleted right now. So now the first indicator I'm adding is the moving average, which goes to the main chart. And this is the information we are using here in this indicator. So you can do well to screenshot this information. This is period 1, and this is shift -1. And the method is linear weight. And apply to close. Styles, I'm using PC4 because I want the line to be more civil, where you can see what is happening. I want the line to be more visible, right? To see what is happening. And then you can use any color of your choice here, right? So yeah, I'm going to be using blue color. So I have this blue color right down in my chart. So I have this across my chart now, the line across my chart that is following the trend of the market, of course. So the next indicator I'm adding here is called the average directional movement index, which is here. So this is the parameters I'm using. The period is 365, and the styles I'm using, every of the color should be the color of your background. All right. These are the information you're using here. All right. So this is the level we are using. I'm using the 92 level and 8 level. All right. So I am done with this. So I've got this indicator window 1 here now. All right. So the next indicator I'm adding here will be going to the indicator window 1, which is also a moving average. The same information as the first one, right? So you can change color if you like. As for me, I won't change the color. So the color is going to be the same. So I just want to have that movement, the movement average, to also be lined here in the indicator window 1 box, so I can be following the direction of the market. All right. Also, we'll be able to specify when I will trade and when I will not, when I want to trade in case I want to buy or I want to sell. All right, that's what this indicator here will help me for. All right. So now, having showed you all indicators. So now what I am telling you is this. Price action is always the key here. Price action is the key. So you can see here now, I just took advantage of this range. If you watch this, my line, the horizontal line, you can see that this market, whenever it gets to this level, it's always turning up from, it's always selling down from there. All right. It will spike all the way here and sell down. So I have to take advantage of this since it's ranging. And you know, most times the range market stays for days, stays for hours. So why is still forming, you know, trying to pick a direction? You all need to take advantage of that, you know, by trading either from the support or the resistance. That is very simple. Okay, you don't need to struggle over this. It is very simple. I am able to achieve this just because of that. Just because of what I've just explained to you. And I'm also expecting, like I have the confidence that this market will get to my TP where it is here. That is why I am not in rush to close out. All right. So this market already has picked a direction. The direction is here, which I knew very well is going to come down here. All right. So always try and take advantage of the structure of the market. But I trade mostly from a range market. When the market is range, that is when I want to trade because it gives me more confidence. It gives me more winning chance, winning opportunity. So all it can take from me is just the time that I know I'm going to invest by waiting for the market to move to the area that will interest me before I can trade from. All right, so it's very simple. That is how I made winning trade and also share with my VIP subscribers and make money every day here. So if this video interests you, do leave some comments and drop like the video, subscribe to my channel. Please, at this point, I want to leave you. I want to say to you one more time, we are in for mentorship, account management, and the VIP group is also there. So all of this will give you money. I'm telling you for free, all of this will give you money. So thank you and have a good time. So meanwhile, your entering time should be the 1 minute time frame. So the 1 minute time frame will always take you down to area like the selling area and the buying area. So now you want to start catching the spike if you want to catch spike when it gets to this level. But here, when it gets to this level, right? You also want to start selling when it gets to this level, the level 92. This is the level 92. When it gets to this level 92, all right. So that is when you want to start selling, all right. So, but I also tell you this. You should also try and be looking at for a higher time frame. That's why I was using 15 minutes time frame to do all of this, all right. So you can see all of this. If I backtest, we keep saying that whenever this market gets to a social area, it will drop from. Whenever I get to this, whenever I see the moving average over here in the window one move to this area, it will start spiking up. So that's how I do it here. So you can apply this in your crash too. All right. So it works the same way too. So right now I'll be leaving you, and I want to wish you well while you're trading, or while you're making this strategy. I want to wish you well. Always know that patience is key in this business. So at this moment, I'm saying bye.